problem of the day. So the problem of the day is a single question to all 3 schools from the time I ask you to begin to the time I ask you to stop. You have 3 minutes to do the problem and SMQ. Today's problem of the day is you and I, so kindly follow along and please pay much attention as we are doing the work together, okay? You have the question to be this that says, find the true set of the equation 5x squared is equal to bracket open x plus 2 bracket close bracket open x plus 3 bracket close, okay? You can see that these are multiplying themselves, okay? Then you have this, okay? So let's solve it. From here I need to show my solution, and definitely this is a core maths question, okay? So I'm going to solve it in a core maths way. So from here solution like that. 5x here, or 5x squared is equal to x plus 2 multiplying x plus 3, okay? And then 5x squared is equal to x. I'm actually going to be like x plus 3 plus 2 x plus 3, okay? So what I'm doing here is that I've taken this s, I've used it to multiply the whole of this subject. So I took this x and then multiplied it by the whole of this. I brought my plus sign, which is this in here, and then I took the 2 and then multiplied the whole of that as well. Okay. There's a simple way of doing that in the core maths way, okay? So over here that I've been able to break this down, definitely have to be like 5x squared is equal to x squared plus 3x, okay? I'm actually expanding this, then plus expanding this to s plus 6, okay? So from here, I think it's very simple. We just need to group like terms and then solve the problem. So we have 5x squared, and then I'll just bring all of these things in here, okay? Minus x squared minus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. So unfortunately I have all these things arranged already, so here would be 4s squared. I'm actually using like terms in here, okay? Minus this will be 5x and then minus 6, okay? That'll give me 0. Alright, so we now have a quadratic equation, and let's solve it as quick as possible. So from here, I don't know if you can continue from here, but if you cannot, no problem. You should consider 2 numbers which one you multiply to give you the product of this and then that. And when you multiply these 2 numbers, you are going to get negative 24. The reason you are going to get negative 24 is because of this negative in here. But with these numbers, when you add them, you're supposed to get this negative 5 in here. So with these 2 numbers in here, we definitely have 8 and then 3 in this case, okay? So probably the 8 will be the negative 1. So my numbers are negative 8 and positive 3, okay? And you don't need to write this when you're doing an exams, okay? So with that, you're going to be like 4s squared minus 8x minus plus 3x minus 6 should give me 0, okay? And then from here, I'm just going to be like 4 out, in this case 4x out, x in this case minus 2, okay? And then plus here 3 out, x minus 2, okay? That will give me 0. And then from here I need to group like terms, or I need to bring or factor x minus 2 out, okay? So when I factor x minus 2 out here, let me just repeat this so that you won't get confused. X minus 2 plus 3 x minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here, as I'm factoring x minus 2 out, we have this as a common factor. So from here, x minus 2 out, and then the factors left is 4x plus 3, okay? And then they are all equal to 0. And so for me in here, I definitely have to take the first one, which is x minus 2, equate that to 0. X is now equal to 2. That is the first one. And then with the second one, we have x plus 3 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to negative 3. And then x is equal to negative 3 all on 4. You can just divide both sides by 4, okay? It will actually tend to something like 4x is equal to negative 3 divided by 4 divided by 4. Then you cancel this. Sorry, you won't cancel the x in here, but you cancel this 4, okay? So with that, and then it will just lead you to x is equal to negative 3 on 4. I just skipped that, okay? Most of the times it's not really necessary for you to show it, but it should show it if you want to. So we have x to be equal to positive 2 and then also negative 3 on 4. Okay, so we've been able to solve the problem very well. We now have our x. Okay, so that's very simple, and if you really want to test it, you can actually test it by inserting the x in them. Okay, so when you take the first one in here, the equation is actually 5x squared is equal to x plus 2 x plus 3. Okay, let's the x to be equal to 2, so we are taking the first portion, which is 5x squared, so it will turn to 5 wherever x is, we put 2 there, the square, and then now it will be 5 by 4. Okay, that'll give me 20. Okay, so now let's take the side, and that portion is x plus 2 x plus 3. Wherever we see x, we put 2 in there, so here will be 2 plus 2 multiplying 2 plus 3, that'll give me 4 multiplying 5, that'll give me 20. So x being 2 is actually correct. Okay, and then from here, when x is actually negative 3 and 4, that'll give you the same result. But I'm giving that to you as your own personal assignment. Try that and then confirm in the comment section below that you were able to do it. If you were not able to do it, please let me know as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe and then share the video to your friends so that we all learn this and understand this very well in the best way possible. Stay safe.